Grow strawberries in containers, easy guide for beginners. Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts! Are you craving the sweet taste of homegrown strawberries but don't have a sprawling garden? Well, you're in luck. Growing strawberries in containers is surprisingly easy, even for beginners. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious strawberries right on your patio or balcony. Let's get started. Selecting the right strawberry variety is crucial for container gardening success. There are three main types: June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral. June-bearing strawberries produce one large crop, usually in late spring or early summer. They're great if you want a lot of strawberries all at once for jam making or freezing. Ever-bearing strawberries produce two main harvests, one in the spring and another in the fall. They're a good option if you want a more extended harvest season. Day-neutral strawberries produce fruit continuously throughout the growing season. This makes them an excellent choice for containers, as you'll have a steady supply of fresh berries. For container gardening, I highly recommend choosing ever-bearing or day-neutral varieties. Also, consider your local climate and the amount of space you have available when making your selection. Choosing the right container is just as important as choosing the right variety. You have several options, including hanging baskets, terracotta pots, and specialized strawberry planters. No matter what type of container you choose, make sure it's at least 8 inches deep to give the strawberry roots plenty of room to grow. Drainage is also essential. Make sure your container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Strawberry planters, with their multiple pockets, are a fantastic option for maximizing space and growing lots of strawberries in a small area. Now, let's talk about soil. Strawberries need well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. A good mix is equal parts potting soil, compost, and perlite. Avoid using heavy garden soil, as it can become compacted and waterlogged in containers. Soggy soil is a strawberry's worst enemy. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Gently remove the strawberry plant from its nursery pot. Loosen the roots a bit and place the plant in your container so that the crown, that's the point where the roots meet the stem, is level with the soil surface. Fill in around the plant with your soil mix and gently pat it down. Water thoroughly after planting to help settle the soil. Watering is key to happy strawberry plants. Water regularly, especially during hot weather. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. A good way to check is to stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch or two down, it's time to water. Strawberries are heavy feeders, so they need regular fertilization to produce lots of delicious fruit. You have a couple of options here. You can use a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks, or you can incorporate a slow-release fertilizer into the soil at planting time. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer label carefully to avoid over-fertilizing, which can burn the plants. Sunlight is also crucial for strawberry production. Strawberries need at least 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a sunny location for your containers, such as a south-facing patio or balcony. The best part, harvesting. Your strawberries will be ready to harvest when they're fully red and easily pull away from the plant. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown strawberries in pies, jams, smoothies, or just eat them straight from the plant. To keep your strawberry plants producing well, it's important to remove any runners that develop. Runners are long, stem-like growths that the plant sends out to propagate. Also, consider mulching around your strawberry plants with straw. This will help to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the berries clean. So, there you have it. Growing strawberries in containers is a simple and rewarding way to enjoy fresh, homegrown berries, even if you don't have a lot of space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks.